Okay, go.
Hi, Marcus. Do you have a big caddy? No? Okay. How about, candy heart? No? Okay, how about, candy soap?
Candy
No.
what? Candy what?
Candy soap.
Soap?
No, candy soap. I think candy soap.
Candy soap?
Uh-huh.
There's no soap candy. Who's that, Annalyn?
Yes, soap. Hello. I'll take a picture of Leah.
No, we're making a video for Marcus. Annalyn.
Annalyn.
Stop it. Stop beating me up. Oh my God. Look at Leah. Annalyn, are you a player?
Yeah.
How many boyfriends do you have? Say, Marcus, I'm a player.
Marcus, I'm a player. You're not a player.
What did you say? Marcus not a player?
No, he's a guest.
He's a guest?
Yeah.
What's a guest?
A guest run.
A what?
A guest run.
A guest? What are you talking about?
Guest run.
Why is your face? Ow! Why is your face so close to the camera? Why are you hitting me? Ew.
Lizzie?
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Remember, say good night.
Good night.
Say you're ugly.
You're ugly. Bye.
Bye, Leah. Bye, Leah. Bye. Say bye. Bye.